Hey there, watch enthusiasts. Welcome back to Janaxi Watch Unboxing. Today, we've got something really exciting to unboxing and review. It's the Pagani design PD1761, a homage to a classic timepiece of Tissot PRX Chrono. So let's not waste any more time and dive right into this unboxing. As we open the package, you can see the classic Pagani design logo right on top, giving us that premium feel from the get-go. Just look at this beauty. The design is clearly inspired by a famous luxury watch Tissot PRX Chrono, and it comes at a fraction of the cost. Let's take a closer look. The watch features a stunning 318L stainless steel case with a beautiful Sunburst dial diameter of 40 mm, thickness of 12 mm and 144.5 grams of weight. The Chronograph subdials add a sporty touch to the classic design. The hands and markers are all coated with luminous material for excellent visibility in the dark. The watch feels solid and well crafted. The sapphire crystal on the front is scratch resistant, ensuring your watch remains looking pristine for years to come. On the side, you can see the screw-down pushers and crown for the chronograph functions, which is a nice touch for a watch at this price point. Watches feature screw-down crowns and pushers, which are typical features in diving or sports-style watches to enhance water resistance. In watches with a screw-down crown, you need to unscrew the crown before you can adjust the time or date. This design helps create a better seal to prevent water from entering the watch case, increasing its water resistance. After making the necessary adjustments, you should screw the crown back in to maintain the water-resistant seal. A watch with a water resistance rating of 100 meters or approx 330 feet should be suitable for a variety of water-related activities, including swimming, snorkeling, and shallow diving. However, there are still some precautions you should take. While a 100-meter water-resistant watch is suitable for most water activities, it's not designed for deep-sea diving or activities with extreme water pressure. If you plan to go scuba diving, consider a dive watch specifically designed for such conditions. Let's take a peek at the case back. Here you can see the Pagani design logo and some basic specifications. The watch is powered by a Seiko VK63 quartz movement, ensuring accurate timekeeping. The watch comes with a stainless steel bracelet, giving it a solid and substantial feel. It's also equipped with a folding clasp for added security. One after another, the wide matter and narrowing links provide the PX bracelet with a unique look. The quality of its satin finish on the outside is only matched by that of the polishing on the inside. The deployment buckle is two-way butterfly clasp. Its wearability and flexibility make it a true design achievement. It sits beautifully on the wrist, providing excellent comfort and a flattering appearance. Overall, the Pagani design PD1761 Chrono is a stunning homage watch that captures the essence of the original luxury timepiece. It's a budget-friendly option for those who appreciate the design but don't want to break the bank. Thank you for joining us in this unboxing adventure of the Pagani design PD1761 Chrono. If you have any questions or want to see specific features in the upcoming review, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications with your fellow watch enthusiasts. See you in the next video.